how to build an online store and how to start an online store. So as you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be showing you literally step by step on how you can build and start your online store today in 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes, and we're going to be using a tool called Shopify, which is going to allow us to actually get started for free. And again, if you click the top link down below in the video description, you'll be able to actually get started for free with no credit card required or anything like that at all. So you can follow along today's video and get started immediately. So without further ado, let's begin today's video tutorial. Alright, so let's get started. So the first step to begin today's tutorial is to click the top link down below to come to the official Shopify sign up page. And you don't have to put in that credit card or anything like that, like literally no credit card required. All you have to do is just enter an email address to get started, and yeah, that's simply all you have to do. I'm just going to put in an example email just for today's video. So anyway, let's just click on start free trial. And we want to obviously put in a password for today's video. So I'm just going to put in the password right now. The store name can be Jet Skiing Gear. So let's just copy and paste the name. And all you want to do now is just click on create your store, and we'll be taken to the next step. Success, your store is ready to go. All right, so what we want to do is just fill out this information. It's completely optional, so I'm just going to click on skip. Then obviously there's some information we need to put in, so I'm just going to put in some information on screen just for an example. Click on enter my store. Okay, so we've created our first Shopify account together for free. And as you can see in the middle, we have a bit of information here in the middle that we can keep in mind. But most of the time, you're going to be navigating your Shopify store and your account via the left-hand menu on the side right here. So as you can see right here, this is where you can manage your orders and accept payments for customers. So you'll be seeing all the orders right here. If we go over here to products, this is where we can actually add and create a product together. So we'll be doing this live throughout today's video, so make sure to keep watching this video till the end so I can show you how you can actually add a product. If we go over here to customers, this is where you can see all the customers that have placed an order with you from your store. You can find all the details and purchase history here. If we go over here to analytics, you can see the total sales you've made. You can see the online store sessions as well, returning customer rate, online store conversion rate, which is going to be very, very important. So you can see how many people are actually turning into customers on your store, average order value and total orders as well. If we go over here to marketing, you'll be able to see your marketing overview here and leverage a bunch of marketing tools. Discounts right here allows you to create discount codes for whatever you want within your store. So you might want to create like a Black Friday discount for an example. Apps right here allows you to basically install apps onto your Shopify store that you wouldn't normally actually have access to. So apps are kind of like plugins for your website right here inside of Shopify. Now under sales channels right here, that's going to be your online store. So your online store is going to be your sales channel. Themes right here allows you to basically add themes to your Shopify store. So these themes are going to make your Shopify store stand out. We'll go through that in today's video as well. Blog posts right here is pretty much, blog post. Pages right here is going to be all the pages on your store. So like your contact us page, privacy page, all that type of stuff. Navigation is going to be your navigation menu. So as you can see, footer menu and main menu. Domains is going to be the domains inside your Shopify store, so you can connect a domain, buy a new domain, all that type of stuff right here. Preferences right here is going to be basically your SEO metadata, so your homepage title, your meta description right here, and you can obviously add a Facebook pixel right here as well, Google Analytics, tracking codes here as well. And if you scroll down below, you can also change your password protection settings as well inside your Shopify account. And at the bottom left-hand corner of the page right here, we can click on settings, where we can change the settings for various different settings inside of our Shopify account. So for example, payments right here is where you can change the payment providers on how you'll be accepting payments inside of your store. So you're going to be accepting payments via Stripe, via PayPal, or another payment provider. Tax rates is a big one as well. Checkout as well, because you can customize your online checkout process, so you can set that up here as well. Billing is also a very big one as well. You can manage how you ship your orders here and your shipping rates here as well, how much you'll be charging for shipping. Okay, so let's go ahead and head over to products to create our first product together live. So this is going to be one of the most important steps, because you want to be able to sell products and make money off your new Shopify store. And the way to do this is to actually add products to your store, so you can start selling them as soon as possible. So if we click on add product right here, we can put in a product name. So for example, let's just we can put in a description. So this. Alright, and what we can also do is actually upload images of our product right here. So I'm just going to upload a demo photo of a random life jacket, because again, this is just a demo video. Okay, so as you can see, it's uploading the life jacket, and that will be the picture for our product. We can put in a price tag, so we can make this product $150 for an example. You can also check this to charge tax on the product as well. And let's just say we have about 20 in stock. All right, and we can click on save. And once that saves, as you'll see right now, we'll get this amazing notification right here. We can click on preview. And as you can see, this is our product right here, which obviously this is just a demo image for, example purposes, but you can put a real image of your product right here. People can just add this product to their cart, which is pretty cool. So now that we've actually gone ahead and created our product, now we have to actually set up our online store and how it looks so we can actually get people buying our products. So if we hover over here to online store and go over here to themes, we can actually change the way our website looks. So if we click on view your store right here, right now our theme is going to be this theme right here. You'll see that our Shopify store looks like this based off our current theme. We can actually change the theme, so I want to go ahead and show you how you can actually do that. So you can click on explore free themes right here, and you can choose a theme for your Shopify store off the free themes, and obviously if you can upload your own themes and all type of stuff as well, and visit the Shopify theme store. But let's just go ahead and choose a free theme. So let's just choose the Brooklyn theme right here, and if we click on add to theme library, we'll be able to use this theme for our Shopify store. Once you add the theme you want to your store, you can go ahead and click on actions right here and publish, and that will be the new theme for your Shopify store, just for an example, right? So it's pretty cool. So as you can see, it's going to publish a new theme, and if we click on view your store right here, you'll see that we have actually changed this theme to the Brooklyn theme right here, which is a pretty cool theme, and I'll be showing you how you can customize it right now. Now, to actually see what your website and your Shopify store looks like in real time, we can go over here to our Shopify dashboard right here in the members area, and we can click on themes and click on view your store to see our website and store in real time, or we can go over here on online store and click on the eye icon. Either way, you'll be taken to your website homepage right here inside of Shopify. Now, to actually customize our brand new Shopify website, all you have to do is simply click on the add homepage button right here at the very bottom of the screen, and you'll be taken to your menu right here where you can actually customize your brand new Shopify stores. So this is the fun part, guys, and this is where we can actually start getting our Shopify store set up together. So as you can see right here, we have the header, which is going to be the very top part right here where it says announce something here. We'll teach you how to actually change that in today's video as well. We have the slideshow right here, which is going to be the hero banner. If we scroll down below, we have the rich text right here, the collection list, which is going to be a collection of all your products if you have multiple different products in your Shopify store. The feature collection is going to be the feature collection of your various products in your store. And if we scroll down below, this is going to be a featured product of your choice. So this is going to be a single product, a newsletter right here, so you can actually build your email list and market to your customers on a regular basis. And this is going to be the footer down below. Now, because we're actually creating a quick Shopify tutorial video so you can actually get a Shopify store up and running ASAP, I just want to make this very simple for you. So we'll get rid of a couple of things and some of these sections on screen. So we're going to hide a couple of these sections on screen right here. So you probably want to make money off your Shopify store. So let's get started with the fun part and add our product to our Shopify website. So we want to click on featured product right here. Then you want to click on select product. And because we created a product before in today's tutorial video at the start of today's video, we can actually add a product right here, which is going to be the jet ski life jacket, okay? We can click on select, and let's just get out of these settings. And as you can see right here, we have a product listed on our website, which is pretty cool. And we can maneuver this product at the very bottom if we want, or we can move it, at the very top. So let's just keep it to where it was before. So if we go here at the very top and go over here to slideshow, let's actually go ahead and add an image to our hero banner right here. So let's click on select image, upload image. All right, perfect. And as you can see on screen, we've uploaded our images. So I've gone ahead and actually uploaded 2 images right here. So it acts like a slideshow. So the first image is going to be this one, and the second image is going to be this one. So all we have to do now is just simply adjust the headline and make the headline relevant to our website. So I want to go ahead and do that right now. And now, as you can see on screen, we've changed the text. So jet skiing gear, jet skiing is an amazing lifestyle. You can change the text to whatever you want for your own individual website and brand. And basically, as you can see right now, our website and our Shopify store is really starting to look amazing. So it's a good idea to always save your work just in case. So I'd always recommend doing that. And as you can see, our website has a mini slideshow right here for jet skiing, which looks pretty amazing, right? And as you can see right here, our customers that visit our Shopify store can click and add the jet ski life jackets to the cart, for example, of course, which is pretty cool. So they can go, add to cart, and they can subscribe to our newsletter as well. So let's go over here to newsletter, and we can actually change this call to action and get people to subscribe. So subscribe. Okay, so that can be our call to action for today's video. It doesn't have to be anything too special. You can add your own call to action if you have one in mind. We can also add a call to action at the very top of our website right here through the header. So if we go over here and click on header, we can actually change the call to action. So we can be like, limited discount, for example. Okay, let's just say it's Black Friday, right? And you can obviously change the color right here to blue or whatever. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is right now. And if we click right here, we can see the full width of our website. So yeah, guys, that's basically my how to build an online store and how to start an online store tutorial video. I really hope this video has helped you and shown you how not only easy it is to create an online store for yourself, but how fun it can be at the same time. So again, I hope that's break that limiting belief. You're always more than welcome to rewatch this video if you did miss any steps, so you can go ahead and build your online store right now if you want. So again, thanks for watching today's video, and thanks for watching today's how to build an online store and how to start an online store tutorial video. Cheers.